How to remove card on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Temu is an online marketplace operated by Chinese e-commerce company PDD Holdings. It offers heavily discounted goods which are mostly shipped to consumers directly from China. After you land to the shop page, at the bottom you will find different options. Click on the option of View. Now at the top right corner you will find the settings icon, click on it. Now head towards the option of your payment methods. In this page you will be able to find all of your cards. As right now I haven't added any of the card, it's not showing over here. But in the case you have added the cards, it's gonna pop up over here. Now you have to head towards the card that you wanna remove. At the bottom right of the card you will find the option of edit or remove. Click on the option of remove. With that, you will need to confirm if you want to delete this card. Click on yes, delete this card. And with that, card will be removed. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily remove card on Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.